It's Brandon Therapeutic Fragrance, short video. These are easy. I like them. It's a first spray on, puts me on the spot. This is an exciting one in the community. Title's up. You guys know what it is. Hendley. I've featured him before, talked about him before. One of my favorite releases all year. Not this one, something else he did. I'm keeping my fingers crossed for a bottle of it. Anyways, this, I think I released the Russian Oud video and the meme in the sky. Great commenter on YouTube. Great, just great community. Always has the best comments out there. Always talking, buys great stuff. Told me about this. He had it, and I couldn't help myself. I had to. Well, I could. I was waiting for the X-Straight. Wanted the X-Straight version of this. I was like, it sold out really quick. It's just too much going on. Too much going on with all these releases. And I knew about Bourbon. I mean, it's one of those things where I talk about educated blind buys. I have people I follow, and when you know 3 to 5 to more of them like a similar thing, that's what this is. I knew it was a hot fragrance. I just heard about it from the right people. The X-Straight was gone. I love my X-Straights. Love it. And I was like, I'll just wait for the next batch. And then he told me the price of this. I couldn't believe it. I was like, that's a no-brainer. And he said it was great. He bought a backup bottle. I ended up buying it that day from the comments, and here it is. So let's open this tight package gift. Double tape. Got the DeWalt blade. I was in shipping and receiving, so that's why I made such a big deal about this in the last video. Got one super comment on it. Who knew what it was? So blades are big in shipping and receiving. I mean, open 100 boxes an hour. Better the blade, save more of the time. He's an artist. Personalized note. I talked to him a little bit back and forth. Hands. So that's awesome. I appreciate Hands a lot. A little bit of love here. Oh, it looks like I got the. I think I got the X-Straight as a sample. So sweet. Could compare it a bit. This goes here. I always got to remember to remove those for my next video. Then nice cardboard, efficient recycling material. Same thing. Looks sharp. Feels indie. Love it. I think Hiram Green does the same thing. There it is, nestled in more paper. Yeah, some of the guys who go all plastic, I can't. Just go paper, way better. You don't get that plastic smell over everything. There it is, presentation, stock bottle. Nice amber color to it. Stock cap. Doesn't bother me. I can smell it from the bottle already. Do a little spray on. Ooh. Nice vanilla booze. Here we go. And you can see what people love. Those familiar with Hans and his fragrances, they have a dry air about them. Every one of them. His accord, his house DNA, unique accord he uses. He's stuck to it in everything I've smelled. It really pushes the fragrance up. Yeah, I mean, it's his musk. It's what he's using. It is synthetic, but it's original. I mean, almost everything is. As far as dry downs, you got to have something carry the perfume. If you're not putting in real musk and whatnot. Sillage, I'm getting a sillage just right here from it. So I get that dry earth smell, the booze, the vanilla, and not overly boozy, like a little sweet. Just perfect, man. This is good stuff. I want to wear this all day. Notice the wool sweater, so I'll be wearing this probably all month. So I'll probably like stick to stuff that complements this. It's Christmas time, my sweater season. So yeah, I did it on purpose. Wear it with you guys. It's everything billed as. This is my very first impressions. I've never smelled bourbon. I just know it's a love of the community and something I had to have. 50 ml. Looks like 30 ml, but I thought on the site it said 50. Might be 50 ml for $85 for niche. It's EDC, Eau de Cologne. So that I mean, but it's pleasant. It's crowd pleasing. It's niche. I could, I have to wear it 5 times or start giving these words, but I could see this as a signature scent. It's that good. I remember like 8 years ago walking into somewhere in the mall. I don't know if it's Sephora or not. I'm not up on my lingo. First time I really knew that they had. So I've always been into cigars, and went back. I have daughters, so went back and just messing around. And me, my daughter's boyfriend, we found a little section. All of a sudden, found like cognac and whiskey and perfumes. Started spraying them on. I couldn't believe it. I was like, oh, maybe this is something I can get into. Lo and behold, I mean, last year, anybody on this channel already knows what happened, but I'm into it. This is good stuff. Kudos, Hans. No wonder you keep selling out of this. As of today, I think it's still available. Ladies, that's the Christmas present. I mean, just go buy it for your husbands right away. I mean, if they're into the bourbon, of course. And it's not strong booze. It's pleasing. It's very tepid whiskey. Like, not the drunken whiskey, just the glass is down and you're just catching the air of it, not deep breathing into it. On this one, I have an arm free. Should I spray the X-Straight? I'll spray the X-Straight on too. I didn't expect to get it. Didn't know if you had any. I asked. So I wanted to compare and if I had to chase it down. That's the thing. I mean, anybody just, if you're ordering from these perfumers, they love requests. And if they have them in their studios, they'll be more than happy. They're giving you what you want. It's just a win-win, especially if they have it. All right. The juice is way, way thicker. A little darker, but seems thicker in the shake. Oh, yeah, it's the, I was going to say, I don't know if it's the X-Ray, but you spray it on, you can tell. There's a lot of color. I don't know if the video will pick that up, a ton of color dripping down that, yeah, it's kind of run down. I don't think you can see it. This has way more booze. Way more booze and spice in this thing, in the X-Ray. I almost like the cologne better for every day. This would be, don't get me wrong, I love my X-Rays. This would be going out. This would be the one I want to put on going out at night, especially in the winter. You want that thick, just warm, toasty cocktail on your skin. Call it my happy hour fragrance selection. I'd put it in there for that X-Ray for the colder weather. This EDC, I could wear it year round. This thing is strong, this X-Ray. Anyways, wanted to make this short. Wanted to open this bottle. A gift for guys in your life. Anybody watching this, especially for that. Go buy, hands out of this. It deserves to be bought out. Deserves to be remade. This is, and everybody talks about it. I mean, this is one of his special ones that he makes. And this is the first that's been in stock since I've followed him and put him on my radar. So Bourbon, Hendley, chase it down. He made it affordable. It's niche. It's pleasing. I mean, it's a perfect Christmas gift. It's my first one I've recommended for a Christmas gift. Guys, I can see ladies wearing this. See ladies loving this note also. So buy it for your man and wear it for you. Anyways, I'm out of here. Be blessed.